So prior to Fleetio, we were spending a lot of time on repairs. We needed to get ahead of the repairs and it seemed next to impossible to catch up. Our goal with Fleetio was to change from a reactive maintenance plan to a proactive maintenance plan. And with that, we got a good schedule together that allowed us to keep our vehicles on the road.
My name is Danny. I see everything here from anything from our F-750s all the way down to our little chippers to our transits here. As an important factor for maintenance, we feel that having the vehicle come in for an hour and a half of time during production can seem like a bit of a hindrance, but the overall big picture of things is we're actually saving in the long run, because when our vehicle is out for a week, we're not making money versus having a vehicle down for an hour and a half. And we can catch things before it becomes catastrophic, becomes major, costing us the really, really big bucks. As far as maintenance schedules going for our assets, a lot of our maintenance scheduling was really based and produced from the manufacturers themselves. And one of the nice things about Fleetio, we were able to take a little bit of Isuzu's recommendations, a little bit of Ford's recommendations. This guy might ask for a tire rotation at 5,000. This guy may ask for it at 10,000. We can go in and customize our maintenance schedules and put together collectively to have tire rotations happening, collectively to find a certain mileage or a certain amount of hours. Fleetio gives us that option to go ahead and put things where we want it, how we want it. The landscapers out there, I don't really deal with a lot one-on-one, and the hours that they work is completely opposite from what I'm here. And so the nice thing about when they're doing their reports in the morning using the Fleetio app, it works out really good for me when I get in further on in the afternoon and I can come and go, click Fleetio, oh look, this guy reported this morning. And at that point, it's easy for me to assess my day, make a plan, kind of see what I already have upcoming, what's due soon. It brings us all together, regardless of the times you're here, we're all connected using Fleetio.